Hi, welcome to UPSC History Guru. My name is Suhail Turkie. Let's take to the way. Today, I'm going to give you some tips regarding how you motivate yourself when you are preparing for the civil service exam. It seems to be very much difficult, and sometimes you feel very much depressed. Yeah, a successful candidate is not just one who is battle preparing for, but also one who is able to sustain. One who is able to sustain in this exam, one who is able to motivate himself or herself. Ask yourself, what do you want to be a civil servant? The answer to this question should be motivate in yourself. If you want to change your system, if you want to serve your country, then don't be depressed. This will take everything from you. If you really feel you can use your talent and help steer your country towards development, then come and think twice. This is the great opportunity to do just that. Having your goal, having your place, motivate your people further. Think about the benefit you and yourself into society. It is not only about reading the books, it is about to serve the country. Let understand the problem of the society. Let understand every moment. This is what UPSC demands from you. I know it's a difficult, but it's not impossible. You know what? An IS aspirant should be confident enough that there should be no single doubt. They can refer to anything. Be your own motivator. Set a target. Let's go for the target and push yourself because no one else going to do it for you. And this is the right on the money. The goal is yours, so must be the effort will be yours. Tell yourself, no one is going to study for you. To attain your goal, you must back up and back yourself. Don't wait for the external. If expectations wear you down, the best way to deal with is to take a break. Go for the short break. Remember one thing. It can even be a best time for your life. The same thing goes with the study. If we enjoy every moment, it becomes less work and more something to enjoy. Choose subject that you are genuinely interested, generally interested topics. You know, be a hungry dog. Treat study as an opportunity to learn and not as an fed up. While preparing, I know sometime your body will lose strength. Many times during the course of your civil service preparation, you feel that you got not up to mark. This UPSC exam study can take a year, and it's a natural to feel a little low at a time. At this time, remind yourself of your strength. If you are good, if you are good in mathematics, if you are good in history, but weak in the economy, tell yourself, I'm a good mathematician, I'm a good historian, and can deal with English too, can deal with economic too, it will really boost yourself. You know, the most important part in our life, that continuously motivate yourself. Record your progress. If you are feeling down and out, go through the chart, you feel like good about what you have achieved. What you have achieved and get the boost to kind to be move on. Yeah, that's true. You have to motivate yourself. Nobody can motivate you until and unless it comes from the inner feelings. You know what? We are a human. We are not a machine. So sometime maybe you need a little bit breaks. Refresh your mind and body. Change the scene. Can give you a fresh perspective, better ideas, and pointer for your answer. While from my side, I will say that there is so much hurdles in your life. There is no race without hurdles. The successful person is not someone who did not face any obstacle challenge, but the one who faced obstacles and overcome them. So be ready for that. Let's come and finish all these obstacles. You know what? The most important part of this examination, we need a right environment. Preparing for the ICE exam would mean sitting for long hours in your study room. Ensure that your room is purely and clean. Have the right mood to study go along in maintaining the motivation. Have a proper lighting, comfortable sitting. Have a picture of your icon and inspiration saying on the wall or study stable. And saying that, yes, of course, this will be the final destiny and I will achieve my goal from here. And the most important part in your life, you cannot be motivated unless you are healthy. Have a healthy diet and regular exercise to be fit and fine. And the most important part, you know what? Imagine yourself as a job civil servant. Can work more wonders if you're not feeling motivated, but avoid daydreaming. Visualize the things in a proper manner that you are an ICE officer, that you are an IPS officer. Trust me, the things will be very much different for you. And do remember one more important thing, gratitude. You know what? Give happiness, which in turn is a motivator. Be grateful for your teacher, for your parents, for everybody who is in around you. Be grateful for your blessing and expressing gratitude to those who support you day and night. And get inspired. You know what? If nothing works, take a cue for the grades in your favorite sport. Inspire yourself by the reading some good books. This can be a vital strength for you. You know what? Hoping this thing for the tennis great Venus William motivates you. Let understand that this exam will take time, patience, dedications. And say one thing that I'm ready and I'm coming. And one day I will achieve this goal. And I'm the one. I will win this game. But the only thing that how you motivate yourself. Thank you so much for being with me. And may Allah bless you all. And I hope that you all will crack this exam. Just lost in the final points from my side. That you need a little bit patience. This journey is very, very long. Don't lose your patience and keep motivating yourself always. Till then, take good care of yourself, stay safe, and stay blessed. Bye bye.